It goes without saying that there are millions of ways to get a quad sphere, including basically pressing Q, going under Mesh Tools, and choosing to sphere cast. Sphere cast is the easiest way to turn a cube into a sphere in HardOps. However, in the event that you have something a little more complex, for example this selection, and we want to convert it to a sphere, we can press QOT, and by pressing spacebar we can use the spacebar menu to select Quadsphere. And we can even press E to make it equalize. We can press A to adjust the scale where we roll the wheel. And then I believe we can also press S to adjust the scale. We can even roll the wheel to change what type. For example, I could jump between an icosphere, jump back over to a quad sphere, and we could still even press A to jump and scroll it to choose exactly how round we want it to be. In fact, I never noticed how hypnotizing it can be. And we can also choose to display the original being false, meaning that the original objects are no longer showing. So now if we wanted to continue with this as where we continued from this block in, this is where we'd start, just with the other objects now hidden.